you are a beginner to gardening or you love having fun gardening, welcome to this channel. This channel is all about gardening, sharing tips, sharing knowledge, and having fun doing it. Today I'm going to show you how to grow collard green seeds. This is a collard green seed that I brought with me from Ghana. I have grown it last year, very late, but it still did well. And we are going to try it again this year. So let me show you how you can plant or grow collard greens in a container, collard green seeds in a container. And let's dive right in. So if you are wondering what is collard green seeds, this is collard green seeds. This is collard greens bulb. This is how it makes the seed. This is how it grows. This is what it looks like when it dries out. And so when you shake this, you can hear a rattle in there. The seeds are in there. When you break this, this is what comes out. So this is the seeds. And I have grown this last year. Actually, I grew this here. I brought this seed with me from Ghana. And I grew it here last 3 years ago. And it gave me a seed. It gave me this. There was 2 of these, so I broke one up, and then this is the seeds that comes out, and that's what I grew last year, and it actually did well. So we are going to plant the same thing today. So this is how collard greens, this is how they looks like. All right, and this is what the actual bulbs look like, you know. So I don't want to break it. When it's like this, it can last for many years before you plant it, and it will still do well. So I don't want to break it up. I want to keep it until I need it. So these, we don't need much. We're just going to need just a handful because it grows, it does well. So this is all I need to grow. Just even this is too many, because if it does well, then I have to be trying to uproot them and replant them somewhere. But this is all I need. And how to grow collard greens is very simple. We don't need to dig any soil. All we have to do is make sure that, I'm gonna do it this one here. This is the soil. Make sure you mix your soil. You can watch that video where I show you how to mix your soil, put it in the pot. And we are not going to dig any holes or anything. All we have to do is we are just going to drop this on top of the soil. That's all we do, just on top of the soil, like this, just like that, because this is gonna grow well. And then we just spread it around, and then we're just gonna cover it with a little bit of soil. We don't want to cover it too heavy, so very light soil on there, very light, because this is the seeds that we are planting. It's like how you do nursery, the same thing. So just a little covering so we can water it. So that should be enough soil on it. Shouldn't be too heavy on it at all. Okay, so that once this is done, the next thing we have to do is just water it. And all we have to do is just give it a water. And just be careful. All right, and this should be enough water. And this also takes about just 7 to 10 days to start seeing the germination of this. So this should be enough water. To start the germination process. Okay, And now we can see that there is water coming out of the side. You see that? So that means there is enough water, and then we're just going to leave that for it to start. In 10 days we'll see. So I am going to mark this, for this is colored greens. Green, so I can remember what it is. Alright, so that's how it's done. If you want to see how I grow okra or how I grow sweet corn in a pot, the seeds, you can watch that next video. Subscribe to this channel, and if leaving me any questions you have in the comment section, and also let's have fun planting the next thing, and let me show you how to plant the next thing, and let's start right now. Also, where are you watching from? Thanks for watching.